I had known about lasers. I know they've been around for a long time. I hadn't known about Solea until my boss had approached me about it. So I went to the summit and it was kind of life-changing. I mean, it was almost unbelievable how amazing this product was. So since we've gotten Solea, I use it all day, every day on every patient or procedure that I can possibly use it on. It has not just made me a better dentist, but really made our practice better, and it's a better environment, a better experience for our patients now. A lot of patients come in and they're asking for Solea because they know that it's virtually pain-free. They know most times, almost all times, that they don't have to be numb for it. And it's so much quieter, it's more conservative, it's quicker, more efficient, and it's just made the flow of our practice so much better, and patients truly enjoy it. So one of the procedures we've done with Solea is a patient who had a venous lake on his lip. Once we got Solea, it was one of the first procedures or one of the first soft tissue procedures that we did with it. But we quickly removed it with minimal anesthesia, and it healed almost perfectly within 3 weeks. But he had no pain. It looked great right afterwards, and 3 weeks later, it looked like nothing was there. The patient loved the results. He loved that it was virtually pain-free and that there was no blood, no sutures, and the healing time was much quicker than traditional dentistry where we'd have to, use scalpels and sutures. Solea has definitely made me more efficient in my day-to-day. It's opened up a lot of opportunities for same-day dentistry. So if I'm going to check a patient and I see if they need a small cavity filled or even like a couple small buccal fillings, and I'm in the middle of doing something else, a crown prep maybe, or something where I'm waiting for the crown to be milled, or I'm in between patients, I'm able to take those patients and spend 15 minutes to do a filling. So it's definitely made me quicker. It's made me more productive, being able to pull those patients from hygiene. And because it's made me so more efficient, and it's like kind of shortened my overall appointment time for single fillings. So as being a mother of 3 small children, I have a newfound appreciation for the busyness of moms and parents out there. And I think those parents, those mothers really appreciate when, if they come in for a cleaning and we find that they need 1 or 2 fillings done, if I'm able to quickly put them into our Solea room and get those fillings done for them, because sometimes it takes just 10 minutes to do that. So they're super happy because they don't have to come back on a whole different day, find childcare, whatever it may be, to have to get that done. So they're super appreciative, and yeah, it's more protection for us. So because I'm using it every single day, patients truly trust what I'm doing. So and patients who have gotten it done once, that's all they want to do every time they come and see me. And we've had so many patients just from word of mouth come in to find the Solea dentist, and they love their appointment. We've taken patients who dread going to the dentist and make it something that's not just manageable for them, but something that they almost look forward to. Solea is definitely a huge investment. I think it's one of the best investments you'll ever make, because you're going to make that money back. Just alone with shortening your appointments and being able to fill your week more with procedures, that alone has made me, more productive. And it's truly not just about investing that money into it. You want to bring the best equipment into your practice. You want to have your patients have the best experience out there. And Solea is by far the best laser on the market. And it's going to not just impact your life, but all your patients' lives.